The US and China war is all over the news, and semiconductor is a growing market.
Semiconductor ambitions are.
Why this then US, China, and they always keep fighting for these chips?
Whenever there's a demand, there's a supply issues. Whenever there's supply is more, there's no demand. This seems to be the change that everybody has gone through. So is the semiconductor life cycle as well.
Why still India lags behind? Like the resources what we have in India, the land which we have in India, we could have done this in a more better way, I think. Like where did we lag?
It's something like, one mother can give a birth in 9 months. 9 mothers cannot give a birth in 1 month. So there is a gestation period. So I think we have to evolve.
From the time when you started, what is one thing which you realized that this is one segment which can grow very big?
The last tip that I taped out or probably involved was 12 billion transistors, excluding the memories.
12 billion transistors in one chip.
In one chip.
Right? It's not, the aim is not to becoming a rich. Aim is to create an employment. Aim is to make sure that you grow with the society.
Like who is the biggest manufacturer and exporter of chips as of now?